Good morning, everybody. Once again, Dr. Salim is here with you guys. Let's talk about some more registry questions and make our SPI examination from ARDMS a lot easier. Let me share the screen with you guys and discuss some more questions. We will do it together. Let's see. Okay, so here is a question. The question is asked that the following image is taken by which of the following probes? So this image is taken by which probe? What do you think? Is it linear phase array transducer? Is it linear switched array transducer? Is it convex phase array transducer? Is it curvilinear array transducer? Is it curved sequential array transducer? What do you think? Which probe was used for this image or picture? Yeah, exactly. C is the correct answer. Convex phase array transducer. That is absolutely true, which is transvaginal probe, of course. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, so this question is asking that what happens to the steering and focusing of the sound beam in case of damage or the defective crystal and convex phase array transducer, the above transducer, just we talked about that. If one crystal is damaged, what changes do you see in the probe? What do you think? Is it a total image loss? Is it a vertical line drop off? Is it horizontal line drop off? Is it stay the same? No changes will be seen in the picture, or is it erratic or unreliable picture? What do you think? Which one is the correct option? Yes, E is the correct answer. The image will be erratic or unreliable image. That will be absolutely correct. Okay, now true and false. Convex phase array transducer will provide us blunted top sector shape images. Is this correct or no? True or false? Yes, of course it's true. So A is the correct answer. Okay, let's do the next question. Now, the question says, what shape crystal is placed in annular phased array transducers? So simple. What do you think? Is it disc shape? Is it a rectangular shape? Is it triangular shape? Is it rounded shape? So what do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Think about it. It's annular phased array transducer. Yes, exactly. This is disc shape. A is the correct answer. Okay, let's do the next question. What type of steering is achieved with annular phased array transducers? Is it electronically steering? Is it mechanical steering? Is it both? Combination of both? Is it none of the above? What do you think? Yes, simply, it's a phase array transducer, so that is electronically will be achieved the focusing and steering, correct. Next, annular phase array transducer will provide the following shape image. What will be the shape of the picture on the display when we see? Is it rectangular shape? Is it blunted top shape? Is it sector shape? Is it trapezoid shape? Or is it all of them? So what do you think? Yes, C is the correct answer. Annular phase array transducer will give you sector shape image, like when you do echocardiography. So it's exactly the same sector shape. Correct. Next. Okay, so this question is basically asking for if an active element is damaged in an annular phase array transducer, what changes can be seen in the image or in an image? What do you think? One of the crystal is damaged in annular phase array transducer. What do you see changes in the picture? Is it vertical line drop off? Is it horizontal line drop off? Is it an erratic or we can say unreliable picture? Or you think nothing will happen? It will stay correct, no problem. What do you think? Yes, B is the correct answer. There will be horizontally line drop off. Exactly correct. Let's do the next question. These are easy questions, correct? Okay, so this question says vector array transducer is the combination of the following probes. There is probe, it's called a vector array. So now, what do you think? Which two technologies become together and then they made a third technology, and that is called a vector probe. So vector probe is the combination of which of these ones? Is it a linear sequential array in curvilinear array? Is it phased array and mechanical transducer? Is it a linear switched array and annular phased array? Is it phased array and linear sequential array? Is it a mechanical and curvilinear array transducers? So what do you think? Which one is the correct option? You just need a little thinking. I'll give you some time. Okay, take your time. Exactly. D is the correct answer. Phased array transducer and linear sequential array is the combination of both these technologies. So that is actually the third transducer, and it's called a vector probe. That is absolutely correct. Let's do the next. Okay. Choose the correct image shape achieved with the vector probe. So just the above probe. What type of shape of image they will produce on the display? What do you think? Is it trapezoidal shape? Is it rectangular shape? Is it sector shape? Is it blunted top sector, or same as the phase array transducer? What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, exactly. You're right. The A is the correct answer. That will be trapezoidal shape image. Absolutely 100% right. Let's do this question. This is easy. What type of steering method is accomplished with the vector array transducers? Same probe. We have the questions from the same probe. What do you think? What type of steering will be achieved? What do you think? Is it mechanical, electronical? Is it both of them? Sometime electronical, sometime mechanical, or none of the above? Yes, I'm also agree. B is the correct answer. Electronically steering will be focusing and also steering, both will be electronically achieved. Correct. Okay, next question. Okay, let's see. Okay, so side lobe artifacts are most commonly produced by which of the following probes? Be careful. Side lobe. Okay, the question is side lobe artifact. Is it array probes? Is it mechanical probes? Is it pencil probe? Is it PDAF probe? Is it none of the above? Side lobe artifact most commonly seen with which of these ones? Yes, simple. Mechanical probes. Why? Because mechanical probes have only the mechanical probe have one active element, one crystal. That is correct. Side lobe mostly seen that artifact with the mechanical probe. Okay, now this is another question. Grading lobe artifacts are mostly seen on, we can say, produced by which of the following probes? What do you think? Same answers are here: array probes, mechanical probe, pencil probe, PDAF probe, or all of the above. Now it's called grading lobe artifact. So grading lobe artifact is seen by which of these transducers? Like they can be hunted by that artifact. What do you think? Which artifact goes by these probes? Exactly. Array probes, all those transducers whose crystals are side to side and they're just close to each other. Array probes. Correct. Next question. Which of the following probe will not produce an image? No picture at all. There is no picture produced by this probe. So choose the best option. Is it pencil probe? Is it array probe? Is it mechanical probe? Is it curvilinear array probe? Is it vector probe? What do you think? Very simple, easy question. Yes, of course, is the correct answer. Pencil probe, because pencil probe is from the continuous wave ultrasound, and that's from that family. They are not producing pictures. Now you're going to ask why they are not producing pictures, because there is no damping material on those probes. They are not taking breaks. It's continuously sending. There are two crystal systems, right? One is continuously sending the sound. The other one is continuously receiving. So there is no listening for the same crystal who create or produce pulses. So keep in mind, A is the correct answer. That only used for the velocities, okay? For the spectral wave file. We use it in ABI mostly. All right, next question. Which of the following probes pulse wave has listening time? Is it linear switched array probe? Is it curvilinear array probe? Is it vector probe? Is it phase array probe? Is it all of the above? What do you think? When they produce a cycles, pulses, they have a break also. They have a listening time also. Or to make it more easy, there is a dead time area, or you can say off time area, or you can say image production area. I think that's a lot easier. I make it more easy for you. Yes, all of the above is the correct answer. So all these probes will have listening time on the pulse, because the pulse will be like a few cycles will be in a pulse and then nothing, because that's the area of listening. That's called listening time. Okay, let's do the next. Okay, so this question is basically asking that the following probe, this probe in the picture, will create what type of image? So when we use this type of probe, let me make it easy for you. This probe is actually PDOF probe. So they will produce what shape of the picture? What will be the shape of the image when they produce? Is it rectangular shape? Is it sector shape? Is it trapezoid shape? Or we can say no picture created by this probe, or we can say blunted top sector. What do you think? Which one will be the correct answer for this question? A little tricky question, right? Yeah, sometimes tricks are good. Exactly. No picture created. This probe and pencil probe, they are specifically designed for the continuous wave ultrasound. They do not produce images. They're only used for velocities, keep in mind. So it's non-imaging modality. They are blunted modality, okay? They don't produce pictures, okay? So D was the correct answer. Let's do the next question. True and false. The device which convert electric energy to the sound energy, and in return the sound energy back to the electricity. So the device which has the ability of converting one type of energy to another and back that another to the first to the beginning, or to return back to the original energy. So what is that? Is that called ultrasound transducer? Is that true or false? What do you think? Yes, simple. Kindergarten question, correct? That's a lot. That is true. Absolutely. That is called pro. That is true. Okay, let's do this question. Now, choose the correct numbers of active elements for the following transducer. Or think about this. When we have this type of probe, correct? Linear sequential array transducer or linear switched array transducer. When we have this probe, most commonly, how many crystals or active elements will produce the pulses? How many active elements will be there or placed in this transducers? What do you think? Is it one crystal? Is it less than 120 crystal? Is it between 120 to 250? That's the range. Or is it more than 250 crystals? Or is it only 96 active elements? Most commonly. So what do you think? Yes, C is the correct answer. 120 and 250 crystals. That is the range for these transducers. Correct. Let's do this question. Carefully look to the picture, okay? Just look to the shape of the picture. Carefully just look. The below image is taken with the use of the following probe. So just look to the image shape and tell me which probe was used to take this picture. Okay, is it curvilinear array transducer? Is it phase array transducer? Is it convex array probe? Is it a vector array probe? Is it a linear switched array probe? What do you think? Exactly. D is the correct answer. That's the vector array probe. And if you look, the picture is trapezoidal shape. The top portion is flat, but the bottom we see more area. That is correct. Okay, let's do two more questions. Okay, so this question is asking that side lobe and grading lobe artifacts can be fixed with which of the following processes? So when we have side lobe artifact, remember, with a mechanical transducer, and we have grading lobe artifact with an array transducer. So if we have that problem, the machine will automatically fix this problem for us. What is that process called? Is it called amplification? Is it called demodulation? Is it called apodization? Is it called rejection? Or is it called attenuation? One is correct. So tell me which one is correct. Exactly. Absolutely. I agree with you guys. That is called apodization. That is absolutely the correct answer. Absolutely. C is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Okay. Now let's do the last question for this session. Okay, it says, The following or the below image is taken by which of the following transducer? Which probe is used for this picture? Is it convex array probe? Is it linear switched array probe? Is it phase array probe? Is it PDAF probe? Or is it none of the above? What do you think? Look to the picture. Exactly. E is the correct answer. It's none of the above. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, my dear students, doctors, healthcare providers, anybody who have a plan again for the ARDMS registry examination, especially for the SPI examination, or maybe you just need these information and your practice field or area. So please keep in mind to subscribe the channel and share the channel with all other those healthcare providers who really looking for this type of information, and tell them to subscribe it as well to get the notification for upcoming sessions. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.